Hi everyone, and welcome to this super simple guide on how to buy and activate your eSIM on AirZlink. How to buy an eSIM. First, go to the AirZlink website. Select your travel destination, data allowance, and plan duration. Once you've chosen, click Buy It Now. On the checkout page, please make sure to enter your email address correctly, as this is essential for receiving your eSIM QR code. Then, choose your preferred payment method to complete the purchase. Shortly after your payment is confirmed, check your inbox. You'll receive a confirmation email from AirZlink. Please keep this page open, as you'll need the QR code for the next step. How to activate an eSIM. Now, grab your phone. Go to Settings, Cellular, add eSIM, scan QR code. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. After scanning, wait a few moments for your phone to configure the network automatically. Once you see the success message, you're all set.